kain. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa masarap kumain. Sa medyo maulan na panahon, kakain tayo dito sa Goto Monster. Located to sa Cumuna, San Antonio Village, 238 Pablo Ocampo Senior Extension, Makati City. Pagpasok mo ng building, Goto Monster ang bubungad sa'yo. Yan ang iconic na takore at yung mga sauces nila na nakabote. Hello Miss Gina, I'm not sure if I remember her name right. She was very kind and very accommodating. My order for today is Pinoy Classic. Okoy, lugaw with bagnet, and first time ko to matry, lugaw with salted egg. This is their menu and price point nila between 250 up to 400 pesos. Not bad dahil I tell you, sobrang sarap. As in. Cooking time siguro approximately 8, 10 to 15 minutes. And ito na, naglalagay na ako ng mga sauces, patis, toyo, calamansi, and pepper to taste. The lugaw itself is sobrang creamy, ang dami ng portion ng bagnet na nilagay, at in fairness, malasa siya. Para kang kumakain ng lugaw na yayamanin. Grabe, ang dami nito. Tingnan nyo naman yung bowl. Sobrang puno yan at 220 pesos. Full meal na to ha. Everyone's favorite, chili oil. Lagyan natin para may kick at para masarap. Let's eat! Thank you Lord sa lahat ng blessing. By the way guys, yung Goto Monster is open 24/7. Ang isang order ng Okoy 4 pieces na ganyan. Sobrang sarap at sobrang crunchy. Paborito ko na ang Okoy nila dito.
Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko no nakita until out of the blue? A feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love.
If you search Cumuna in your socials, makikita mo dito na madaming mga cafes dito na mga IG worthy at very aesthetic. I really like my dining experience here aside sa mga tao na very approachable, friendly, fast service, at yung ambience dito sa dining is sobrang chill, sobrang okay, at hindi mainit dito. Open kasi to ang space nila at meron din silang ceiling fan na sobrang pangmalakasan, as in. To my right is space pa yan na pwede ka dyang kumain, and then yung table nila merong good for 2, merong good for 4, or even group. So, sobrang okay, maluwag, at makakakain ka talaga ng maayos. Mode of payment is cash and GCash. Yung building itself is merong CR na katabi lang mismo ng Goto Monster. If I were to rate yung mga food na kinain ko, 10 out of 10. Mare-recommend ko ba to sa family ko or sa friend ko? Yes, of course. Sobrang mare-recommend. Simut sarap. Nabusog ko ba kayo? Tara, samahan niyo ako sa masarap kumain. This is you Will. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!